celebrations of science and faith, we are honored to hear from a leader in higher learning. May we call on Professor Sema G. Dilna EGD, the University President of the Cotabato State University.
Hello. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subhanaka la ilma lana illa ma 'allamtana innaka antal alimul hakim. Courtesies and felicitations, of course, to the very active, supportive, and transformative leader of the Bangsamoro, the Honorable Chief Minister Abdul Rauf Makakwa, popularly known as Gov Sam, from the former position of Maguindanao del Norte. Palakpakan natin ang ating ama ng Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. The vibrant and gorgeous Member of Parliament and concurrent Minister of the Ministry of Science and Technology of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, Honorable Minister Bailing Otto Mantawil. Also a Member of Parliament and Minister of the Ministry of Trade, Investment, and Tourism, the Honorable Minister Parsirina Muhammad, the Director of Science and Technology of Region 12, Honorable Sami P. Malawan, representing the Region 12, the Director General, Engineer Abdul Rahman Asim, Director Nasruddin Buisan, Director Nasruddin E. Buisan. We have two Nasruddin Buisan. The only difference is their middle name. The Nasruddin U. Buisan and the Nasruddin E. Buisan, who is coming from our university. Ma'am Jehan Usop, Dr. Aida Silungan, the former minister, Mayor Dr. Ibrahim P. Ibay, Attorney Julie Ann Dadibas, the Chief of Staff, Dr. Renato U. Solidium, the DOST Secretary of the National Office, Ma'am Serel Lopez, the Supervising SRS of the DOST PTRI, the Mayor para sa lahat, Honorable Muhammad Ali Bruce Matabalaw, Ma'am Bea Almoiti, the officer who is representing the city mayor, Professor Dr. Abdul Rafiq Saleh, a Malaysian dignitary, Sheikh Abdul Kahar Musa, Ma'am Anyanita Portich, Alan C. Tauli, officers and employees of the MOST BARM, officers, deans, faculty members, our beloved students of Cotabato State University, and the Ministry of Basic, Higher, and Technical Education, both from junior and senior high school. Ladies and gentlemen, again, Assalamu alaikum and mapita salangon to each and everyone. Indeed, it is our pleasure to welcome this Bangsamoro Science and Technology Week with its theme, Sustaining Growth Through Halal, Science, Technology, and Innovation. With that, it is imperative for us to go with the research as one of the basic functions of higher education institutions. It is where how we can go as far as other countries in the neighboring areas in the Southeast Asia, like the Malaysia, the Thailand, the Brunei, Singapore, Indonesia, and etc. With the advent of the Bangsamoro Organic Law and the creation of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, we believe that we can reach as far as what they reach. And we have seen in the expo of the different products, outputs of our young scientists, students, and faculty of the Bangsamoro region, we can compare, and we are now very optimistic that Bangsamoro region is now on the track and in the direction of growth and development. We also believe that the Ministry of Science and Technology is one of the most significant, as it is called MOST, as the most, if not the best, ministry of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, that science and technology emanates, and we describe this event as supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. This is an extraordinary event of the Ministry of Science and Technology, where this is not just an expo, this is not just an exhibit, but this is a one semester equivalency of learning in the four corners of our classroom. In behalf of the thousands of students, faculty, and employees of Cotabato State University of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, we welcome you all with the best event of the Ministry of Science and Technology. Wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Mabuhay ang MOST! Mabuhay ang Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao.
A round of applause for Dr. Dilna. And sir, thank you so much for your warm welcome and inspiring words.